N8n versus LangChain, which one is better? Today, we're comparing N8n and LangChain to see which tool fits your needs. Now, let's discuss N8n right here. It is a no-code workflow automation platform. It's great for connecting apps and automating repetitive tasks with a flexible open source foundation that lets you customize workflow without heavy coding skills. LangChain, on the other hand, is an advanced AI framework designed for developers building applications powered by large language models. It's perfect for creating intelligent apps that involves natural language processing, complex logic, and API integrations. Now, let's discuss their key differences. Now, for the use case, N8n is ideal for business automation and non-technical users, while LangChain is better suited for developers building AI-driven tools. For complexity, N8n is easier to learn, but LangChain offers deeper functionality for AI and machine learning tasks. And lastly, community and ecosystem. Both have strong communities, but LangChain focused on AI may give it an edge in cutting-edge innovation. And so, which one is better? If you need a no-code automation, N8n is your pick. Now, if you're creating advanced AI apps, LangChain is the way to go. And so guys, what's your preference? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.